Hi guys, Jen here from SS Designs Couture today. Today I want to bring you out a brand new project that my 9-year-old son created using this month's Chalk Couture exclusive Let's Get Lost transfer. Now if you're not a member of this club, then leave me a message, let me know, contact me, because for $19.99 a month you get everything you need to create exclusive projects, and that includes your shipping, so it's really a great deal. So I went ahead and let Damien choose. He's my 9-year-old, and he went ahead and chose, and what he's going to do here is it's called the Hot Mess Method, and you might have seen this a few times. I've been sharing it here and there. What you do is you pick your colors. He's using Couture Teal, Bright White, and Coral, I want to say, and he's just placing dots around, and you can see there it's not quite mixed up yet. He's just placing, and what we're going to do here in a second is we're going to take our fingers and we're just going to smear that all in, and it's going to create some sort of a tie-dye effect. Okay, and when we're done with that, we're going to pull it right off, and this is what the finished product looks like. Okay, thanks for hanging out today. Leave us some love. We'll talk to you guys soon.